welcome to Indian Box. Join us as we journey through the enchanting world of Mizoram, Northeast India's hidden gem. In this presentation, we'll explore the region's unique offerings, from wild berries and traditional crafts to delicious bakery items and savory snacks. We invite you to discover the flavors, artistry, and natural beauty of Mizoram and understand how Indian Box brings these authentic treasures directly to you with care, respect, and sustainable intent. Our journey begins in the hills and forests of Mizoram, where tradition and nature exist in perfect harmony. We explore indigenous products that are deeply rooted in Mizo culture. We source ethically by partnering directly with artisans and farmers who have honed their skills over generations. And we deliver these products to you, carefully curated, sustainably packaged, and full of authenticity. At Indian Box, it's more than just commerce, it's connection and cultural celebration. Mizoram's pristine environment nurtures a variety of wild berries, each with its own flavor and nutritional benefits. Sohyung berries are deep purple, sweet tart, and rich in antioxidants. While strawberries, smaller and more flavorful than their cultivated cousins, grow naturally in forest clearings. Soshang offers a tangy twist and has long been used in both Mizo cuisine and traditional remedies. These berries are wild harvested using indigenous methods and are free from pesticides or chemicals. Our wild berries offer more than taste, they're packed with health benefits. They're rich in vitamins and antioxidants, making them ideal for immune support and overall wellness. Because they grow naturally in untouched environments, they're 100% organic. They're hand-picked at peak ripeness and processed quickly to preserve flavor and nutrition. Each berry brings the freshness of the Mizo Hills right to your table. Mizoram is equally renowned for its stunning handmade crafts. Tol Lopyun is a traditional textile with intricate patterns that tell stories of heritage and belonging. Kumbeo, ceremonial bamboo hats, are woven by master craftsmen using time-honored methods. And Ngotket, decorative wall hangings, can be found in almost every traditional Mizo home. These products reflect both utility and artistry, rooted in identity. Each handcrafted item begins with careful material selection. Bamboo and cane are sustainably harvested from Mizoram's forests. Traditional crafting techniques, passed down through generations, are used to shape and weave every piece. Natural dyes from local plants and minerals ensure that color is both vibrant and eco-friendly. The finished products are beautiful, functional works of art that reflect Mizo values, history, and daily life. Bring Mizoram's soul into your space. Our handcrafted decor items transform modern interiors while carrying the essence of a rich culture. Each piece adds a story to your space, whether it's a bamboo hat as a wall centerpiece or woven hangings for textured ambience. These are more than decorations, they are cultural bridges, perfect for conscious consumers seeking meaning in what they display. Mizo bakeries produce time-honored treats that warm both the heart and the stomach. Changban is a beloved rice cake that's a household staple. Puan Bap, made from rice flour, is subtly sweet and festive in nature. Bomba is a soft, sweet bread served during special occasion. We also offer local cookies that merge traditional recipes with modern flavors, perfect for snacks or gifting. The savory side of Mizo cuisine is just as rich and distinct. Bekang, fermented soybean crisps, are protein-packed and deeply flavorful thanks to traditional fermentation. Chingal, or dried bamboo shoot chips, are crisp with a uniquely earthy flavor and are harvested during specific times of the year. Sochkya are spiced rice crackers made with hand-pounded herbs and spices, offering a perfect blend of heat and crunch. Each snack honors ancestral recipes and small batch production methods. What makes these food products so special is the integrity of their origins. All ingredients are locally sourced from Mizoram's fertile hills, supporting biodiversity and freshness. Recipes are passed down orally through families and community elders, and the entire preparation process is handled by hand. These aren't just snacks, they're edible heritage. Each bite is a sensory window into Mizo life and culture. Indian Box is committed to ethical and sustainable practices in everything we do. We only harvest materials in ways that protect the surrounding ecosystems. We ensure fair wages and stable income for artisans and farmers. All packaging is biodegradable and made from natural sources. Through our replanting initiatives, we help regenerate bamboo and forest resources, ensuring a healthy future for Mizoram's people and environment. When you choose Indian Box, you choose authenticity. Our products come directly from the communities that make them, without middlemen. We operate on fair trade principles that protect traditional livelihoods. Every product is infused with cultural heritage made to preserve and promote traditions for future generations. We don't just sell, we sustain. Our customers love what Mizoram offers. Priya from Mumbai says, "The wild berries are the freshest I've ever had. They taste like they were just picked." Rahul from Delhi tells us, "The bamboo crafts transformed my living room." They're conversation starters. And Meera and Arun from Bangalore share, "We are addicted to the Mizo snacks. They taste like nothing else on the market." These stories are why we do what we do. Every purchase from Indian Box has a direct impact. We support over 200 artisan families throughout Mizoram. 95% of revenue is returned to local communities, helping fund schools, skill training, and housing. With continued demand, more than 15 traditional crafts have been preserved and passed on to younger generations. Your order isn't just a transaction, it's a lifeline to cultural preservation. Thank you for exploring the treasures of Mizoram with Indian Box. We are proud to connect you with products that are deeply rooted in people, place, and tradition. For wholesale inquiries, custom sourcing, or questions about our collections, we'd love to hear from you. Round Pushpin address, Modi Nagar, Delhi NCR, Uttar Pradesh 20204. Email symbol email support@indianbox.com. Telephone receiver phone +91 87-553-00795. Globe with Meridians visit www.indianbox.com. Let's bring the flavors, stories, and spirit of Mizoram to the world together.